Almost there, almost there.
Surprise!
Wow, Suzuki E-Access.
Yes!
Wow.
Yeah.
पर इसकी बैटरी?
Let's go!
Nice. Wow. It's hot outside, na?
Suzuki E-technology inside.
Sab all right?
Suzuki E-technology inside.
Amazing ride.
वही सुजुकी का सालों का भरोसा अब इलेक्ट्रिक में।
Oh.
Long life commitment.
Just like our Suzuki E-Access.
Introducing the all-new Suzuki E-Access with Suzuki E-technology. Engineered for long life with LFP battery, tested for extreme temperatures and unpredictable weather conditions. Enjoy superior ride with long years of battery life.